Is there a trick to reading tape measure when it ends in a corner?
Is there a trick to reading a tape measure when it ends or terminates in an inside corner?
Correct. I think that's what they're going for.
Yes.
Yeah.
There are several ways you can do it. So if we're measuring post to post, you can roll your tape measure. So unless you really know your tape well, that is of medium accuracy.
See how it bends into the corner? But you have to be able to really know like what line you're really looking at when it bends.
You have to unroll it in your imagination.
Yes. So, but if you aren't very experienced with using a tape measure, there's one thing that some DIYers do that you don't really like doing, which is you can measure out. You can measure out from the corner a couple inches, and then measure to that mark. Do you know what I mean? So you measure out, make a mark, like 2 inches, 3 inches away, and then you can see exactly how long it is this way. Now Mark has another way.
It's basically the same thing. Take a hunk of something, mark it 10 inches, cut it. Then, like Theresa was saying, you measure to it instead of the item. So whatever your measurement is there to here is whatever this value is plus 10. So it's just happens to be 126 inches. So here to here is 136 inches.
And if you're doing a project, you probably have a scrap lying around. You don't have to actually cut a piece. You can just measure your scrap and line it up. So you don't have to actually, like, you know, cannibalize some of your useful material.
Oh yeah, cut it out.
Yeah. Probably have something. You could even use, like, you know, a piece of cardboard or something else. But it has to be rigid enough so that you can get an accurate measurement. But so those are a few ways that you can measure to an inside corner.